So I'm having a baby with my wife.
Oh, you look great, hon. What are you, about 7 months?
Actually, I'm 12 months. Thank you very much. I'm feeling bigger and instantly tired.
Okay, well, take a seat because you are gonna have to go potty all of the time. Now, like we learned, front to back.
Here we go. Okay, this is gonna be so much easier once Frankie's born. Here, hold the baby.
Oh no! Remember, our downtown is a construction zone after childbirth. Be careful of the stitches, the tears, the hemorrhoids.
Ooh.
You're juggling this, spraying your incision clean while wiping with this.
Really?
Feels like it?
Can you hold Frankie? I'm out.
One word, SpaLet. The American standard SpaLet is a little slice of heaven before and after your angel is born. First, relax on a heated seat for the 2 a.m. feeding. Sit down to comforting warm water that gently cleanses and comforts your lady parts. It soothes soreness while keeping you clean and washes any leftovers on your backside to refresh like a rain shower. It installs right on our existing toilet. You can use it too, so can Frankie when he's older.
My lady parts?
We'll both use it. I've seen these.
Your baby's crying and he's seedless.